A call for a bid is a show of confidence. This is the road to making promises, and if we are rewarded with an order, then comes the time to deliver. But before that, there are still many things to do. In several companies, calls for bids are managed in Excel. They have added analytics and other features to the solution themselves, so it feels like the best in the world. After all, it's self-made. In a company of 10 employees with a steady, stable business, this may be enough. But if you want to grow your business, your bidding process needs to be managed with determination and planning. And for that, Excel is not enough. You need stronger tools. How do we receive a call for bids? How do we match it to the right project, manage analytics, revisions, and related documents? All this and more can be found in BSM. Would you like to know more? Get in touch with us. We'd love to tell you more.